Coach Julio, and hope everyone is well. It's been a while since I've done an A-list pro tip, so I'm going to do one right now. I've been thinking about this for a while, and basically I want to share two terms or words that I never use when doing an assessment with a client or a potential client, or when I speak with anyone regarding their health and fitness needs. It's these two words. I don't use cure, nor do I use fix. I don't say I'm going to cure that pain that you have. And by the way, as a fitness professional, and if you're a fitness professional, we need to stay within our scope of knowledge. We don't diagnose conditions. We leave that for the medical pros. And I don't use the word, again, fix. So what I do use is basically I can help you manage a discomfort through strength conditioning and program designing, or I can help minimize in collaboration, if need be, with a medical professional. I say that again. I don't use the word cure to sell anything or fix. I have to be transparent. So using the word manage or minimize helps set expectations. Most importantly, hopefully you also believe this, if I have a client and they say I have a pain, I need to try to quantify and gauge their pain scale. So I personally would say on a scale of 1 to 10, that pain is at a 5, 10 being excruciating, of course, and they say it's like a 5, 6, then I won't do anything with them. Very likely I will ask them to have to get it medically checked so we can continue. If it's a 1 or 2, then I'll say let's use your discretion. You're going to continue to give me the feedback as we do a specific exercise. They may help it, and if it continues, then we obviously have to stop. So a 1 or 2 or 3, a pain scale is very important. So what do you think? Do you also have a favorite word that you don't use? And if there is a word, please share what word you use instead. Thank you.